Brihadiswara Temple Interior. To enter the sanctum, you have to get through the square shaped Ardh Mandap which connects the sanctum and the Great Hall. Inside, you will see a lot of masterfully sculpted figures. The Brihadeswara temple is one of the earliest ones to have pillared halls, which became a common feature in subsequent temples. The dimensions of the temple have been carefully recorded through the ages. The Garbhagriha is 30 meters long, the Mahamandap or Great Hall is 53 meters long, and the Ardh Mandap or partial hall is 20 meters long. The main temple is actually built on an elevated structure with the sanctum measuring almost 100 square feet. Take your steps toward the sanctum, you will see that sanctum doorway is flanked by Dwarpalkas, the guardians, each standing at a height of 6 feet tall. They have been carved with utmost artistic elegance. There are around 50 sculptural reliefs around the walls of the sanctum, three of which are Nataraj, Saraswati, and Shiva. There is a shrine for Shiv, saint, and scholar Chandeshwar, who was one of the 63 Nainars. There are other niches around the temple walls depicting various forms of Shiva, Durga, and Vishnu. There are many bronze structures in the temple depicting Chola art of the 11th century, with the one of Kartikeya being the most recognizable. The sculpture of Shiva garlanding a devotee is the most prominent here. There are two versions that refer to who the devotee is. One says that it is Chandeshwara, the second says that Shiva, with Parvati beside him, is handing over the garland of flowers to the diminutive seated figure of Rajendra I himself as a mark of his victory in the battle. There is another interesting feature about the sanctum. It is believed that a stone known as Chandrakanta is said to have been laid in the sanctum, which helps the area remain cool during summers and warms the area up during the winter season. Now, it's time that we pay our respects to the main deity of the temple, the formless, transcendent, and unchanging absolute Brahman, Lord Shiva. Inside the sanctum, Lord Shiva is represented in his signature and iconic form of lingam. This lingam stands at a height of 4 meters with a base circumference of 18 meters. Within this lingam lies the limitless power of Brihadeshwar himself. Close your eyes and pray to the Mahadev for a life of prosperity free from all worldly troubles. Let the blessing fall upon you from the summits of Mount Kailash itself. Once you are done, you may now leave the sanctum and exit the temple compound. If you have time, take a walk around the compound to enjoy more of the architecture. We will then make our way to the next exploratory location.